how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw an Among Us couple. It's gonna be a crewmate couple, so it's gonna be simple, easy, and for beginners. I'm gonna be using this Gorilla Brand marker, and that's it. You can follow along if you're a beginner. Stay all the way to the very end of the video. It's only an 8-minute video, and the idea is at the very end of 8 minutes, you'll have a brand new skill, okay? So stick with me to the very end. So let's get started. Before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe if you like Among Us or you like video game drawings or learning how to draw in general. Hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. All right. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw one sitting down, a crewmate sitting down and a crewmate standing above. So right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line for the top of the visor, the one sitting. One over here on this side of the visor. We're gonna go around the front. And we're gonna pull a line under here as well. All right. Down here for kind of the front of the body. I'm gonna go over here and I'm going to find the forehead. Across the top here. Curve down here. Out for the leg. He's sitting down. Curve down here and back a bit. Let's get these marshmallowy legs. Gonna go over here, line out here for the other leg, the inside leg, pulling down, and we're gonna actually go down just a bit more and then curve across. Gonna go over here, line to the top of the backpack, over here, line to the bottom to kind of mark off the bottom of the backpack. I kind of like marking them off. I don't know, it just makes me feel more comfortable. Pull back, curve down, in. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the crewmate standing behind. It's kind of like a picture photo op or something. I'm going to draw a curved line for the front of the visor. Go to the top here, find the top of that visor. Curve over here. Curve underneath. Line at the top over here for the forehead. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw the top of that head. And I'm gonna pull a long line down because he's standing up back there. Doing good? All right, so I'm gonna curve right here underneath for his leg. Curve up, pull in. Line underneath here. Curve up, over. Curve underneath here. We're gonna across the actual thing, so we're trying to find like a shine to the crewmate. Same thing over here on this, on the crewmate. On the actual lens kind of the, like the reflective surface of the visor. And then we're trying to make it look like a reflective surface. Same thing over here. I like drawing it across. There's a lot of different ways to do that, by the way. It's not just one. And then let's put a heart over here. Bam. something you can do is you can thicken out the line containing just like the silhouette here. So let's do that. And then thicken out the line just all on the outside. Only on the outside. Down. Here, out. And I'm gonna get a little bit of a thicker line to separate them kind of now because they look too together. So I'm gonna just give it a little bit of a thicker line over here. This is all extra, by the way. It's all style related. The actual drawing was done a while ago, right? So this is all just kind of extra stuff. I want to thank you very much for being here. Let me know what you want to see on this channel, more of at least. I'm trying to fill out the playlist right now, so go check out the playlist section of the playlist panel. I'm going to link it below. Lots of cool stuff on this channel. You can just go down and learn stuff all day. Hopefully you do that. And that's pretty much it, okay? I want to thank you very much for being here. If you are an Among Us fan, I draw lots of Among Us. Like I said, go check out that playlist. And also, check out the cool stuff in the description. There's a lot of neat stuff in there as well to help you become a better artist, which is kind of the point, right, of all of this stuff, is becoming better. If you wanted to, here's an extra thing. If you wanted to maybe put them in a background, just throw like a line over here, maybe. Just kind of figure that out where it's going to come out over here, put a line over here. Then you have them kind of in a setting. I know as goofy as that seems, a lot of people don't think about that. Sometimes having them in an area will make it a little more convincing. So yeah, like I said, hit the like button if you enjoyed it. If you want to give back to the channel, there's only one thing you can do. Well, not only one thing, but main thing you can do, and it's completely free and easy. That is share the video with a friend that you think will enjoy it, or share it somewhere online. When you do that, really helps out the channel. It's just this huge boost to the channel, and it kind of it's very obvious. You know, I don't know how to say it, but it like a lot of cool people just start coming out of the woodwork, and it's like, oh, okay, they found us usually through a link that somebody else sent them. So talk to you later, and I'll see you very soon. Remember, when you're drawing stuff, I want you to keep it easy, okay?